Hello everyone, in this lecture the rules of subject-verb agreement are explained in detail with understandable examples. But if you are new to my channel then please like and subscribe the channel. Let's learn it one by one. Singular subjects need singular verbs, while plural subjects require plural verbs. This is one of the main rules that a singular subjects will take singular verbs and plural subjects will take plural verbs. Just look at these examples. He is going to school. Here, he is a singular subject. So, that is why the helping verb has been used with it. They are watching a movie. Look at this one, the subject is they, which is plural, so that is why the helping verb has been used. So, simply, a singular subjects will take singular verbs and plural subjects will take plural verbs. When the prepositional phrases are used with the subject then they have no effect on the verbs. Simply, it means that when a subject is used with a prepositional phrase then that prepositional will not have effect on the verb of the sentence. Basically, sometimes students get confused because of the object of the prepositional phrase. So, you should not be confused. Like, the perspective of different people varies from person to person. Observe this example, here with the subject a prepositional phrase is used. And that is, of different people, so, here we don't talk about the people but we talk about their perspective. So, according to the word, perspective, we will decide a singular verb or plural verb. So, the word perspective is a singular word so that is why we have used a singular verb, varies. Simply, you should not be confused because of a prepositional phrase with a subject. The pet of my friends was stolen yesterday. Again with the subject, a prepositional phrase is used, and that is, of my friends, so, you can see the subject is, the pet, and it is a singular so that is why we have used the singular verb, was. Simply, you can say a prepositional phrase when used with a subject cannot affect the subject-verb agreement. Nouns connected with the conjunction and, then the subject should be treated as plural subject and take a plural verb. Simply, it means that when there are two nouns in a sentence and they are connected with the help of conjunction, and, then plural verb should be used. Just look at these examples. Smith and Alex are coming here. Observe this sentence, here are two nouns, Smith and Alex, and they are connected with the help of the conjunction, and. So, therefore, they are treated with the plural verb, are. So, when two nouns are joined with this conjunction then they should be treated with plural verbs. Apples and mangoes were my favorite fruits. Again, two nouns, apples and mangoes, are connected with the help of the conjunction, and. So, therefore, plural verb, were, is used with it. Simply, when two nouns are joined with conjunction, and, then use plural verb. If a gerund or an infinitive comes as a subject, the verb will always be singular. Simply, it means that sometimes we use gerunds and infinitives as a subject of the sentence. But, remember that whenever a gerund or infinitive is used as subject of the sentence, then treat them as singular subjects. Just look at these examples. Swimming is a good exercise. Observe the sentence, here, swimming, is a gerund and it is used as a subject of this sentence. So, after this gerund we have used a singular subject. Walking was his good habit. Again the word, walking, is a gerund and it is used as a subject of this sentence. And, it agrees with a singular verb, was. Simply, you can say with this gerund a singular verb is used. To watch a movie is my hobby. Look at this one, here, to watch a movie, is infinitive phrase, so it starts with an infinitive. So, that is why after this infinitive a singular verb, is, has been used. So, remember this rule that when a gerund or infinitive is used as a subject of the sentence, then treat them as singular subjects. When a compound subject contains both a singular and a plural noun or pronoun joined by or, and, nor, the verb should agree with the part of the subject that is closest to the verb. This is also called the rule of proximity. Simply, it means that when a compound subject is used or two nouns joined by, or, and, nor are used and one noun is singular and the second is plural in a sentence, then treat them as a singular or as a plural according to the rule of proximity. Basically, when a singular noun is near the verb, then use singular verb, but when a plural noun is near the verb, then use a plural verb. Just look at these examples. Neither the paint nor the brushes are in good condition. Look at this example, the plural verb, are, is used. Basically, paint, and, the brushes, are connected with the help of neither and nor. So, there are two nouns, one is, paint which is singular and the second is, brushes, which is plural, but it comes near to the verb, so that is why we have followed the rule of proximity and added the plural verb. Either the students or the teacher is responsible for it. Look at this example, again there are two nouns, the teacher, which is singular, and, the students, which is plural. So, the singular noun has come near the verb, so that is why the verb, is, has been used. Well, if you have enjoyed this lecture, then please like and subscribe the channel. Thank you.